Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is time. In today's session, we will understand about time. When you are going somewhere or you are running late, how you got to know that you are running late? Your mom keeps on telling you you are late, it is that much, it is that much. How you get to know? You get to know that with the help of time, clock. In today's session, I will let you know how to see time. What do you mean by clock and what are the features of clock? Let us start the session of time, which is very important. Here students, you can see a picture of clock. This is a picture of clock. Here you can see the clock has 12 numbers from 1 to number 12. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A clock has 12 numbers. A clock also has 3 arrows. You can see here the arrows, the hands. These are called as the hands of a clock. Like you and me have 2 hands. That's how clock has 3 hands. A clock has 3 hands. That is 1 hand, 2 hand and 3 hand. These 3 hands are not of the same length. ये तीनों same length के नहीं होते हैं. तीनों की length अलग अलग होते हैं. One is the shortest, then one is the longest and one is in the middle. You know, the hand you see in the dotted line keeps on moving all the time. Let us understand the name of the hands. These hands has name. Let us understand. It shows the time for 12 hours. A clock shows the time for 12 hours. इसमें 12 numbers हैं, तो clock हमें 12 hours का time show करता है. This is the minute hand, this is the hour hand and this is the second hand. Here you can see the 3 hands as I told you. ये जो आप 12 पे देख रहे हैं hand, इसको कहते हैं minute hand. क्या कहते हैं? Minute hand. जो long वाली होती है वो होती है minute hand. It tells us the minutes. It tells us the minute. ये जो short वाली होती है जो आप इस time 4 पे देख रहे हैं, that is called as hour hand. It is called as hour hand. It helps us to show hours. Next is the second hand that keeps on moving all the time is called as second hand. जो सारा time run करती रहती है उसको कहते हैं हम second hand. So we got to know that there are 3 hands on the clock, which is minute, hour, second. The 3 hands are minute hand, hour hand, second hand. Let us move forward and understand. There are 24 hours in a day. One day में total 24 hours होते हैं. कितने hours होते हैं? 24 hours. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 1 hour में there are total 60 minutes. 1 hour में कितने minutes होते हैं? 60. That is 60. और total कितने hours होते हैं? 24 hours. Total hours होते हैं 24 hours. 12 hours of day, 12 hours of night makes it 24. You know students, the minute hand, जो minute hand होता है जो हमने देखा long वाली जो होती है, that takes 5 minutes from move 1 to the next number. एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर पे जाने के लिए उसको 5 minutes लगते हैं. You know, this is the gap called as gap of 5. 5 minutes gap. इसको क्या कहते हैं? 5 minutes gap. अगर आपकी switch 12 पे है और जब वो 1 पे जाएगी तो it took 5 minutes to reach from 12 to number 1. It is called as the minute hand, which takes 5 minutes to move from one number to the next one. It takes 5 minutes. So that we got to know the gaps are in 5. Next, the hour hand take 60 minutes to move from one number to the next one. जो आर हैंड होती है, जो छोटी वाली स्विच होती है हमारी, जो छोटी वाली हमारी जो हैंड होती है उसको मूव करने के लिए वी नीड 60 मिनट्स. हाउ मच टाइम वी रिक्वायर? वी नीड 60 मिनट्स. हमें 60 मिनट्स चाहिए होते हैं. मिनट हैंड तो 5 मिनट्स में मूव कर लेती है, लेकिन जो आर हैंड होते हैं उसको 60 मिनट्स लगते हैं एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर पे आने के लिए. टू मूव फ्रॉम वन नंबर टू द सेकेंड नंबर इट टेक्स 60 मिनट्स. You know students, the numbers run in the multiples of 5 to tell the minutes. Minutes जब run करते हैं तो multiples of 5 में run करते हैं, so that you can understand it. The minutes 5 का table तो आप सबको पता है, and that's how we make 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. All this goes in a pattern. This means that minute hand are moving by 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. That's all students for today's concept of time. I hope you all are now aware what are the three hands of the clock and what are the uses. That's all for today's session.